How to fix Play Store can't open on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Play Store can't open on Android phone. First thing, just go to settings and then apps and click apps again. It's easy. Now you need to find Google Play Store and force stop it. Here click force stop and force stop again. Now go to storage and clear cache. Now go to permissions. You need to allow all of those here and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back to settings, apps and then Google Play and go to storage. Now just click clear data and click OK and then restart your phone, and now your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.